Hey YouTube, so today we are unboxing one more camera. This again comes from the same collector who bought his camera from a collector that's now dead. He's been collecting this camera for a few years, and I ain't no camera collector. I'm a user camera, and we get out of the box, boom. This is the Lubitel, or the Lubitel 166. This is actually the U, the universal, instead of the B. I've already owned two of these. The first one was an Olympic edition, which I've since sold because I no longer like that one. And then I bought a Lubitel 166B that had croaked right at the time the Ukraine war started. It had died. The lens was no longer working. I couldn't get anything shipped here because of the war, so I couldn't get the lens to repair it, so I just parted it out on eBay. But the time has come for me to get one more. Taking it out of its original box, it looked like it was collected in someone's basement or attic because of the water damage. We have it nicely wrapped in plastic, coming with a strap. I mean, I don't know what you're gonna do with this camera strap, because but yeah, this the previous collector must not have collected it all that well, because this one looks in a little bit rougher condition than the first one did. So here we have the typical lookings of a Lubitel 166B, except this is the U, not the B. And I believe this one you can shoot either 6x6, giving it 12 exposures, or you can shoot it at 6x4.5, which gives you 16 exposures, which I never do because I can't print them. Having a 6x6 enlarger. And then we have the all too often pretty dark viewfinder. And then if you smack this thing on the inside, you get a magnifying glass, so you can see exactly what you're focusing on. Kind of like usual. Always got to remember to fold it in so you don't break them like I have. Yeah, this one's in a little rougher condition than my previous ones were, but ooh, the lens appears to be nice and smooth. And then with my favorite T22 lens. Let's take a sample picture, shall we? Actually, let's see if the self-timer works. That is a no. Let's see if it actually took a picture. Okay, that one works. That one works. Say what? Works all right. Perfect. This is the collector's version of the 166U. Now, what I like about this is this camera is obviously like the B and then the Olympic edition, but most of these sides look exactly the same as the B, which I have made a skin for. So I laser cut skins out of imitation leather or vinyl, and then I glue them on, so that way I hate feeling this plastic. I like the leather material, so I should be able to adapt this one and this side to it. The bottom will need some work where this switcher is for the 4x5 or the 6, but that's easy to do. Oh, I suppose you got to switch it to. There is a Just realized there's a switcher, so you can switch between if you're using 6x6 or 4.5x6. Didn't realize that's what it's for. But yeah, I can't wait to shoot this one. Coming from a collector again, both of them that collected these. You know, they're more trinkets on a shelf or in a glass case, and not me. If I have a camera that sits on a shelf without being used, it ain't gonna be mine, it's gonna be someone else's. Because what's the point of having a camera if you don't use it? So yeah, this will get used. I'm just about to load up some probably Tri-X 400, take it out on this cloudy day, and see if it works as well as I remember it to. Hope you guys like this unboxing and just seeing the camera.